What if I told you that you could make $10,000 in just 30 days, without creating a product, without handling inventory, and without even dealing with customers? Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around, because in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it with affiliate marketing and how you can do it too. Affiliate marketing is a simple but powerful way to make money online. You promote products or services from companies, and when someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. No need to create a product or deal with customer service, just recommend and earn. So how did I go from $0 to $10,000 in just 30 days? Here's my exact step-by-step strategy. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. I focused on high-ticket affiliate programs in finance and software tools. The higher the commission, the fewer sales you need to hit big numbers. Step 2. Choose the right affiliate programs. I joined platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and PartnerStack to find products that pay well. Step 3. Create content that converts. Instead of spamming links, I provided real value through YouTube videos, blog posts, and TikTok content, driving organic traffic to my affiliate links. Step 4. Use free and paid traffic sources. I leveraged YouTube, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest for free traffic while running small Facebook and Google ads for faster results. Step 5. Optimize and scale. Once I saw what worked, I doubled down on my best performing strategies, reinvesting profits into better content and ads. And here's the proof. These are my actual earnings from the past 30 days. This strategy works if you stay consistent and follow the steps. Want to start your own affiliate marketing journey? Here's what you need to do next. Pick a niche and find high-paying affiliate programs. Create valuable content that attracts buyers. Use social media and SEO to drive traffic. Stay consistent and scale up. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Let's make money online together.